With this great platform, Fanadize, the social influencers are finally going to get paid for their online efforts. While the big corporations like Facebook or Google take all the profit from generated revenue or influencers via ad services, leaving the influencers with no or close to zero profit. Well, the premium content is a new trend, and here on Fanadize, you can engage with your favorite influencers on a whole new level. Well, getting access to content bonuses and never seen before and unlocking the potential of exclusivity. This is actually Fanadize. Right, so on Fanadize, you can own your personal website and you can have your own domain name. Well, you can choose the domain you would like for your website, and no more promoting other companies. It's just you and your fans. Right, so there are safe checkout process. Well, Fanadize accept all major credit cards and guarantee a safe and sound payment solution. Well, you can have personalized mailing and chat updates. Marketing automation is a key feature that will inform your fans of new offers you are introducing. And Fanadize combine mailing and chat updates to optimize reach. Right, so there is also the SEO or search engine optimization on Fanadize. Well, you can help your new fans to find you quickly and efficiently through the known search engines. Well, there are digital products available on Fanadize. You can be selling digital products, and this is no longer a problem. You can use the NFT technology through Fanadize, and you can buy and then download them directly via email. And of course, there is unlimited bandwidth, and for the Fanadize users, their servers can endure even largest wave of traffic, and whole system is very secure and a strong one. Well, Fanadize is the final opportunity that the influencers have for their earnings, and through their content creation and the efforts they put on the social medias and everything, they are actually going to get paid for their deserving posts, and how much they earn is actually up to them, their works, of course. And Fanadize, this platform, Fanadize actually is doing a great job right from the beginning. And as you can see on their ICO holder, they are actually an NFT based platform, which is having a 4.00 positive rating right here. And their ICO marks are 8.5, and they are doing such a great job. This platform is really revolutionizing the whole NFT industry, with as well as the influencers and social media users to a great extent. Right, so in a very short time, they have grown a huge community around them as well, and their fans and everyone involved with the Fanadize are really loving this platform. So Fanadize is an amazing content platform created for internet influencers to monetize their social presence and bring interactions with followers to a whole new level. Right, so while all the news outlets from the past few years hid behind paywalls and started to get their fair share for the work they put into preparing the news, the internet creators remained highly underpaid. Well, Fanadize actually aims to change that, and they're going to bring so much more to the table. Right, so if you are a content creator and a social media influencer, then you must check out the Fanadize, fanadize.com, and you can find all the necessary details at their website and all the social media links at there, and you can check out them as well for yourself, so that you can understand that this platform is actually the future of the social media influencers and celebrities. So that was pretty much about Fanadize today. Thank you so much for watching the video, and hasta la vista.